Hey, I wanted to revisit this lock because I wanted to see what it would take to get into this lock destructively. The first thing I tried was to take a screwdriver. I've twisted the screwdriver in here, see if I could force the core to open. The plug has started to chip away. I don't know what it's made out of. Maybe some of you who know metals better than I do could tell me if it's made of some sort of zinc or something, because I thought that if it was brass it would be softer than that and it wouldn't just chip away. Maybe if I keep going with the screwdriver I'd be able to get in. I want to test other things as well. What I did was I got a small triangle needle file. I already did a little bit underneath. I'll do some on top, so I'll show you what I mean with this hardened shackle. If I give it a few licks with the, you can see it's quite easy to mark. I don't know if this is stainless steel or not. I've got a magnet. This is a magnet, and it sticks to this pretty good. So I don't know if that means it's just the type of stainless steel that has a lot of iron in, or whether it's whether it is stainless steel. It sticks to the shackle a lot more than it sticks to here. It only weakly sticks to here, so maybe it is stainless steel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to see how easily this marks. It's interesting. I wonder how long it would take to hacksaw through this. Well, not only did I hacksaw through the shackle, 12mm shackle, I also hacksawed all around here, and that took ages. That took about an hour and a half to hacksaw all around here, and I haven't opened this up yet. I wanted to wait till I was on camera. So it's got protective plate. Okay, so that shackle goes all the way around. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, so it's got a cutout here. This must be where, so it's closed and the cutout is at the bottom, and when it turns it's pushed over here. Okay, so that's how that works, eh? Okay, so that's how it works. That's good. That's quite a simple design. Okay, I have the little lock, and I can turn it this way to about there, and I can turn it up. I can't turn it the other way. I think I am able to get this ring off though, so I might be able to gut it. I've never gutted a lock before in my life. If I'm able to get this off, this will be my first one. First lock I've gutted. So I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so I've managed to swing this the opening of this ring here, and I'm hoping that with this little gap here, I might be able to pry it off. Oh, that was easy. Okay, now I've seen people gut these online. I do not know what I'm doing. Okay. Oh, is there another ring on this? Okay. Little washer. Just a little washer. I don't know. I don't know. So I can only turn to here. Maybe because of this little sticky up bit, and it's stopping it turning more. Okay, same with here. Stops it here. Oh, hello. This angle here, and it looks as though it's going to pop out. Now, I don't have a follower, so I think the driver pins are going to fall down with the springs. Okay, there was a bit of a mess. Okay, I've got my makeshift pinning tray. Now, first of all, I want to see, I have got some sort of tweezers here. Okay, so it's 5 pins. So it goes out. This one's to the shear line, these two are to the shear line. So these are just standard pins, I think. Standard driver pins. Which way round do they go? And there we have it, just standards. So that should match the bitting going this way. So we have the short, long, 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 short, and a long. There you have it, my first gutting. Thanks.